Hello everyone, and welcome to an episode of Cooking with Zack.
I'm Matt.
And I'm Zack.
He's the hands.
Today, we're going to be cooking one of my favorite dishes for if you ever find yourself caught in the woods on Mars with nothing but a can of tuna, vegan mayonnaise, sweet green relish pepper, a bag of wraps, a can opener, a bowl, and a couple of spoons. Don't you hate when that happens?
Happens to me all the time.
Alright, anyway, so you found yourself in this situation.
And a table.
What do you do? Well, the first step
You make some great
would
music.
be to make some of what I like to call, wait for it,
Not very vegan.
Ethereal Survival Salmon Salad. First, you need to drain the salmon.
How are we gonna do that?
That's a good question, Matthew. How we're going to do that is,
Right into
you're going to pause the filming, and I'm going to drain the salmon. But first, we'll open it a little bit, so you can see how open it needs to be for you to drain it. And also, it does need to be a manual can opener, otherwise it wouldn't be Ethereal Survival Salmon Salad, it would just be Ethereal Salmon Salad.
Now the opposite.
Because they don't really have, like, fancy can openers on Mars, so, yeah. Or in the woods, or, like,
Especially Martian
in the
woods.
gulags.
Yeah.
Yet. Oops. Okay, that's about enough. Okay, so, you've drained your salmon. Now what? Great question. Matt, you can entertain us while I open the can, as it is a long process. I meant in an intelligent manner.
Oh, I see. That could prove to be a bit of a problem. I can draw on the screen.
Some of you, no.
No.
Some of you may be wondering, why is it me doing the work and Matthew doing the filming, when it's Matthew's channel? And I would answer, because Matthew is a good film person and I make good salad. Therefore, it's only natural that I should be making the salad and he should be filming.
Yes. I walked into the room and Zach had all this, like, tuna fish salad stuff laid out on the table.
As usual.
Well, of course.
Hey, did you say tuna?
Salmon fish salad.
That's what I thought.
Of course, sometimes you'll have the unexpected thing, like vegan tacos. Vegan tacos.
Oh, speaking of which,
Caesar
this salad is actually vegan. You know why?
Why?
Because this mayonnaise is vegan.
Well, the fish never had a bite of meat.
Yeah, I know.
I wouldn't imagine. Oh, do tuna.
Well, the fish didn't use any animal products.
I don't know if the fish had meat or not. I don't do tunas because they're like really big.
Salmon?
Salmon, not tuna.
Dude, come on. Tuna
Yes.
might have meat, but salmon, they sure don't.
Salmon are thoroughly vegan.
Okay, now there's the matter of...
Thank you for sound effects.
Beautiful.
Hi there, salmon.
I'm gonna clean this later.
Like, oh, I've been stuck in here for a while.
This is
Okay,
canned
3
salmon.
wishes.
This is a bowl of canned salmon.
That's so disgusting.
Okay,
Hi
but
there, canned salmon.
looks good, right?
Oh, it looks delicious.
Okay, you might want to zoom that out a little so people can see what's going on here. So,
Bird's eye view.
what we're going to do is open this can of vegan
Oh, it's
mayonnaise.
new vegan mayonnaise. That's
Brand
awesome.
new. Ah, look at that stuff.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Delicious and nutritious. Some people may wonder, how healthy is this stuff? Not healthy,
At all.
even though it's vegan.
That's weird.
We nonetheless will be using a very liberal amount. It tastes very good.
Better.
This is gross.
There's one person who watches my videos who can't stand mayonnaise, so...
Who? Oh,
Yes.
may I ask for a name or mayn't I?
Mayn't you?
Oh.
Because that would probably be kind of mean of me to breach privacy like that.
Yes, breach of confidentiality.
Yes, yes. Working in an office, you know, you get to know these things.
Oh, what? Did you just say you worked at an office?
An office? What's that?
Oh yes, okay, so I forgot to explain what we're doing. I put 2 scoops of vegan mayonnaise and 1 scoop of relish. And now I'm putting
Unfortunately, relish is
several
really
shakes of ground black pepper. fresh ground.
Fresh ground.
Fresh ground is typically a sandy loam soil. However, in lieu of sandy loam, we have fresh ground pepper.
This is how you know you're using forestry.
Vegan forestry. We're making vegan forest tuna. Hey, I could be in agriculture for all you know.
I mean, you could be, but then, like, what's the sense in agriculture when there's forestry to be learned?
Agriculture is fascinating.
Yes, it is. That way you
Now
can...
we mix the salad. This should, in typical circumstances, be done with a fork. However, at the beginning of the video, we never said anything about forks. We said spoon. A couple of spoons.
Having YouTube magic powers, we could probably add that in post, but I don't want to go to that amount of effort.
If you're wondering why this looks so gross, close your eyes.
Let's just zoom into that. That's sweet.
My eyes are closed. No. It's getting better. More homogeneous.
Oh yes, oh yes.
Meaning that...
It's not homogeneous, it's homogeneous.
No, homogeneous.
Homogeneous.
Seriously, man? Homogeneous? That's garbage. It's homogeneous.
Clearly you do not take science.
Science?
At all.
I'm talking math here. Homogeneous systems are systems wherein the vector A multiplied by the... Or, sorry, the matrix A multiplied by the vector X equals the zero vector. It's a homogeneous system. The solutions of it are expressed in a vector equal to the... Okay, I think something like that. This looks fantastic. Great work, everyone. Wait, there's one more step.
Uh-oh.
Why would we have told you we needed wraps?
Oh, we should have brought down avocado and lettuce.
Ew. That's gross.
No, it's not at all gross.
We'll need some wraps.
Ooh. As you can see, that is a wrap.
That is a wrap.
Yes, gotta zoom in
But
on
first,
that bit.
what we do is we take the tuna
There's
salad,
a wrap with gasoline.
the salmon salad, and we put it on the wrap.
Doesn't that look delicious?
Yes, it does.
This is why you close wraps.
Then you sprinkle on more pepper.
Then
Don't you love pepper?
maybe a little more mayonnaise.
That looks delicious. You fold up the wrap. And boom, your first ethereal survival salmon sandwich.
Delicious.
Now for a second.
Ethereal survival salmon sandwich.
Just look at that stuff. That one has a little more.
Oh. Oh.
I think
Very
Matthew wants this one now.
Hey man, I don't know what you're trying to say.
Yes. Our second ethereal survival.
Those look like croissants. Very good wrapping.
This
though.
looks amazing.
Yes, they do.
Good work, everyone.
Good work, everyone.
Wait, there's one final step.
Eating them?
Consume and resume.
Oh, very nice. Hey man, gotta pray. In Greek, apparently.
No?
Oh.
What are you talking about?
How about in Latin?
What?
What?
What's Latin?
In nomine Patri et Filii
No,
et
go away.
Spiritus.
Okay. Mmm.
That's my own.
Mmm.
Mmm. Mmm.
That is delicious. Great work, everyone. I hope you enjoy your day and your ethereal survival salmon sandwich.
That was a good ethereal survival, not tuna to salmon sandwich.
This has been Cooking with Zack.
And Matt. I'll film them.